Okay, class, kindly stand for our prayer. Okay, Miss De La Cruz, kindly lead us our prayer. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Miss De La Cruz. So, good morning, class. Okay, have a seat. Now, Miss Secretary, please check the attendance. According to the seat plan, who are the absents? Okay, Mr. Paler only. Okay, very good. So, only one is absent. Make sure that you have marked Mr. Paler as absent for today's meeting. Okay. Now, before we start our class, kindly clean your surroundings. Under your chairs, pick up pieces of papers. Okay. During group work, again, please contribute. Do not just rely on your leaders. Okay. And during recitation, do not answer in chorus. Always remember, wait your name to be recognized. Raise your hand and wait until you are recognized. Okay? Okay, very good. So, how about your assignments or the materials that we will be using for our activities? Did you bring? Okay, very good. So, our topic for today is about subsets of lines. So this is related with our previous topic, the undefined terms. It's related to this. So let's go with our review. Now, what are the three undefined terms that we have discussed on our last meeting? Okay, but this group, okay, Mr. Ambe. Okay, lines or points and lanes. Okay, right? Now, the second question is, based on your understandings, kindly explain what is a line, point, or plane. Okay, Miss De La Cruz, you're raising your hand. Okay, very good. So, a line is a straight, infinite. A line containing two infinite arrows, left or right. It could be horizontal or diagonal or vertical. Okay, how about plane? Okay, flat surface. Okay, very good. So now let's proceed with our objectives. Kindly read our objectives, class. Okay, very good. So at the end of our lesson, you, the learners, will be able to know what are the subsets of lines. To illustrate what are the subsets of lines. Okay. So now, first, let's proceed with our activities. Now, read the direction, class. Okay, answer the following on one fourth sheet of paper is individual. So there are bold words, so we will just form it. Okay. So after forming the words, you will determine the three subsets of lines. So, this activity, 3 minutes only. Okay? Starts now. Okay? Very good. So, now, let's ask, what are the words have you formed out of those rumbled letters? Okay, Mr. Caderao. Okay, very good. There is a line there. How about De La Cruz? Okay, also line segment. Now, how about address? Race. How about Imejas? Okay, opposite race. So, you've just identified the subsets of a line. So now, for further understanding, let's proceed with our discussion. Now, the subsets of a line. Okay, class, can you read? Subsets of a line. Okay, very good. So, in every 2 points determines a line, right? We've discussed that yesterday. 2 points determines a line. Now, if we take this part of the line with the two endpoints, so those arrowheads, wala na yun, that will form a line segment. So, we will discuss that further later. And if we take one endpoint and all the points to the left or to the right of a given point, it will form a ray. So, for better understanding, proceed or illustrate those terms. Now, proceed with line segment. So, a line segments, it has two endpoints. Okay? Let's give an example. Endpoints, let's say endpoints A and B. So this is the illustrate for our line segment. Now, di ba yung line kanina, ganito? Definition ng line natin. Understood, di ba? Ito, line AB yung nirename natin what we discussed last meeting. Now, pag sinabi natin line segment, from point to point lang. So, ibig sabihin, mag-e-end lang siya sa point. So, ganyan lang siya. From point A to B. Okay? So, rewriting this one, we will use uppercase letters. Kasi nga, A, B. So, to rewrite this one, would be, okay? Please remember, bar lang. Hindi kagaya nung line, may arrow pa. So, sa segment, bar lang. Ganito lang. Line segment AB. Okay, understood? Or, pwede ring baliktad. We could write this as line segment BA. Okay? Always remember, ang line segment ay mag-e-end lang sa point. From point to point. Okay? Understood? Very good. Next one. So, that is one of subsets of a line. That is line segment. Next. Now, how about ray? Now, can you read the definition of a ray? Okay, it simply defines it consists of one endpoint and extends in one direction without an end. So, let's understand it further by showing you the. Okay. Kanina, ito yung line segment. So, in ray, it consists of one endpoint, and extend to the other side. So, ibig sabihin, infinite yung ibang side. Kapag ganito makikita ng class, ang tawag dyan ay ray. Is a ray. Okay? Now, how to name this? We could name this one as ray AB. So, kung saan yung direction ng infinite na side, yun din yung kokopyahin natin. Sir, question, pwede po ba siyang baliktad? Hindi siya pwedeng baliktad. Kasi, hindi siya pwede magiging ray BA. Kasi yung infinite side natin na kay B. So, palaging magsa-start siya sa endpoint kapag i-rewrite natin siya. So, asan yung endpoint? So, A. Therefore, A, start natin, and kasunod B. Ray AB. Okay, understood? So, halimbawa naman kapag ganito. Pag nandito yung infinite side niya. Okay, kapag ganito, hanapin mo natin yung endpoint niya. Kasi sa pagre-rewrite, ito yung mauuna. So, if ganito yung scenario class, we can name this as Ray DA. Okay? Understood? Kuha. Ray DA. Okay, that is array. Okay, let's go with another subset of a line. Now, opposite rays. Okay, go. Let me read us the definitions. Miss De La Cruz. Okay, very good. So, opposite rays are two collinear rays with the same endpoint. They always form a line. So, as you can see with the example, let's elaborate. So it was said in the definition, opposite rays are two collinear rays. So collinear, may ray dito at two collinear rays with the same endpoint. So, asa ang endpoint nila dito? The same endpoint. So ito yung endpoint, magiging endpoint nila. Ito yung nag-separate sa kanila. Now, what rays can we form or what rays can we name with this illustration? So we can write ray CB. Okay, remember the sign. Always start with the endpoint. Ray CB. The next one, what ray can we form? Okay, we can form also ray CA. Always start with the endpoint CA. Okay, gets opposite rays. Basta always remember sa opposite rays to collinear rays with the same endpoint. So the same endpoint lies C. Okay, stood. Now, let's proceed. Oh, any questions pala kasi yun pala yung huling subset of a line. So let's review what are the subset of a line. Okay, those were rays, line segment, and opposite ray. Okay, remember that. Now let's proceed with our activity. Now, for our activity, answer the following in your activity notebook. So we have given a figure, as you can see, or figure. So refer to the figure above, and there are questions below that are being asked. So supply those following questions. Okay. So this 5 minutes will do it. This activity is individual. Activity notebook. Okay. Okay, starts now. Okay, done. Now, it's an activity. Just hold on your answers. So question number 1. Name all the segments shown. So, name natin yung mga segments. I-write mo natin yung figures. A, B, C, D, and E. Now, segments, all the line segments. So, we could find segment AB. Okay, segment BC. Segment CD. Segment BE. So, marami pa, no? Mga segments. Now, how about 3 rays? It's named at least 3 rays. So, you could name this one ray BA. From this endpoint, and this one, and ray CE. Okay? Okay. At least you understand the our topic. Okay? Now, what is the importance of our topic today in our real life situation? Okay, a ray can show us direction. Di ba? Sa mga traffic signs, di ba? Makikita na yung mga directions na tumuturo this way. That is a ray, no? And, okay, that's it. I guess, any questions, clarification to our topic so that we could proceed with our quiz? Okay, none? Let's proceed. Okay, for our quiz, 2 parts ang ating quiz. So, part 1, I will read for your directions. Use the word segments, rays, or opposite rays to answer the following questions. Okay? Test 2, use the figure on the right to answer items 5 to 8. So, oh, forget. It's the figure below pala. Right yun na. Na-type ko, okay? This quiz will be 10 minutes will do. Since enough pa naman yung time natin, okay? Time starts now. Okay, done? Okay. Pass your papers to the center aisle. I will check it and show to you tomorrow the results. Okay. Now, for your assignment, kindly read in advance about angles and its classifications because that will be our topic for next meeting, okay? Understood? Okay, that will be for now. Goodbye, class, and thank you.